everybody. What can I say? Have a look. Like, I've been hearing him making a noise and doing his thing in there for a little while. But I looked at the time and I thought to myself, oh my goodness, I've got to go out, I've got to have a shower, I've got to get dressed, I've got lots to do before I go out. And I feel terrible when I see Jessie like this, but I always know why Jessie is like this. And that's because Jessie has done this. They so do not like making a mess. Now, no, it's me today. I have my grandson here. I saw Jessie down there. I could hear him banging at the door. I knew what was going on for him. I knew what he was telling me. I knew he was saying, Mum, I need to go. I just really need to go to the toilet, so could you get me out? But I couldn't at that particular point, and poor Jessie has had to make a mess in his enclosure. So for anybody out there that thinks that snakes don't care about that sort of thing, and you see that they've made a mess in their enclosure, but you say, oh, I'll get to that later on. And you know, sometimes that later on can be, you know, a few hours, or when I get home, or whatever. Your snakes hate it. They really do not like it. And you know, I feel guilty that I didn't acknowledge Jessie, and more often than not I do, guys. All of my snakes I acknowledge when they're being like this, that they are asking me to get them out so that they can go to the bathroom, because you do know that I like to take them out. Jessie, hang on, yes, I'll bring him back. Oh, you're using that lady as a really good thing to grip on. Oh, you're a strong fellow. Jessie is so strong. You know, Jack is capable of being, and I'll grab that. Leave that lady alone. You know, Jack is also capable of being as strong as what Jessie is, but doesn't feel the need to be that way. And if you watch my recent video of Jessie with Noah handling, you can see just how strong he is. But Noah did an amazing job of holding Jessie, but also remembering that I would never leave Noah, especially with my bigger snakes, on his own to hold at all. But as much as I may have a bit to do before I head on out, of course I will be cleaning up Jessie's mess for him. I'm just going to show him the jungle gym is here for him to climb onto while I actually do clean up his mess today. And as you can see, he knows what this is. He knows why he gets put on it, and that it does mean that Mum's going to go in and yay, she's going to actually clean up my mess. So and this is what I love about, you know, and I mentioned in a few videos that I don't think I've uploaded as yet, why I love having the jungle gyms, or this particular jungle gym for my snakes. Even, you know, if I'm busy, I can still get them out and put them on this. I need to have my shower, so I can just literally, you know, once Jesse's completely on it, pick the whole thing up and bring him on down to the bathroom with me, and I know he's fine. But this is more so about him wanting me to clean up for him, which I will certainly be doing before I walk out that door. So yeah, just be aware. Who are you tasting? I can't think who. I think Maya was on there yesterday actually. You just see him licking, tasting, smelling, all those smells. Yeah, be aware. They're clean animals and they prefer not to dirty in their home. So sometimes it may not be about, you know, I want to come out, I want to go exploring, although that's a benefit. They realise once they get out that they actually get to do all of that. But they may need to go to the toilet when they're restless in their enclosure. And for some of us, I'm in a position where I can get them out, run them outside, put them down, and they get to go to the toilet. Sometimes I can't, it's pouring rain. And of course, you know, I use a puppy pad to let them do this. But you know, today I was just a little bit busy and I knew that he needed the bathroom. And the poor guy had to go in his enclosure, but it'll all be cleaned up for him too. Hey Jesse. Hey, it'll be all good. And he'll be happy to go back home. But in the meantime, he gets to have a good smell of who's been where and what and all the rest of it. Who's been on there? Yep, Lily's been on there too. And I think even Jack I put on there the other day for a minute or so. But guys, take care of yourself and your family and your friends and your snakes. They make a mess. Don't make them wait too long, will you? They really, really don't like it. Take care of all your animals. Ciao.